Greetings from Dr. Sangeeta Agrawal. I'm a gynecologist practicing in South Mumbai, and I'm attached to various tertiary care hospitals for inpatient care. Today I will share my views about weight gain in pregnancy. Well, weight and pregnancy, before, during and after, is a very popular, very fashionable question, and every woman faces this at some point before and after or during pregnancy. Well, most important is that every woman is going to put on some weight in pregnancy. That weight gain will depend upon whether you are normal weight, underweight or obese when you start your pregnancy. An average weight gain for an average normal woman is about 10 to 12 kilos during pregnancy. Those who are underweight ideally should put on about maybe 10 to 12 to 14 kilos of weight. But those who are obese should try to put on only about 8 to 10 kilos and not more during pregnancy. At the same time, it is very important that you do not work to lose weight during pregnancy. That is a no-no. So, in pregnancy, one should remember that one eats healthy food such that you get all your components, the fats, carbohydrates and proteins in adequate quantities. You do not need to eat for two, and at the same time you should not be doing any fasting or starving to lose weight. It is important to eat small frequent meals, avoid fried and spicy foods, avoid the high cholesterol foods, eat healthy, lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, enough protein, nuts, and drink adequate quantity of water. It is ideal to ensure that you reach your ideal weight before you get pregnant. During pregnancy, weight gain is going to happen, and you can work out post delivery to come back to your normal weight. And believe me, sometimes it is an effort, but it is not a lost cause. You surely can put in effort after delivery with good meal plans and a regular exercise that can help you get rid of all the fat that you accumulated during pregnancy. And mind you, lactation is a fantastic way of losing weight. Where by breastfeeding the baby, a large amount of your body fat is utilized in making that milk, which is then given to the baby, and therefore breastfeeding helps lose weight. So don't worry about your weight and be happy when you are pregnant. You look beautiful, and beauty lies in the eye of the beholder.